Having trouble enjoying your favorite shows on Neon without those pesky ads constantly interrupting your flow? Ever wished there was a magic button to just make them disappear? Well, you're definitely not alone. It's a common frustration in the streaming world. You settle in for some uninterrupted entertainment, only to be jolted back to reality by an ad break, sometimes just minutes into an episode. It's like being halfway through a delicious meal and someone keeps putting commercials on your plate. Not ideal, right? We've all been there. You're engrossed in a gripping drama, a hilarious comedy, or a fascinating documentary, and then boom, an ad for something you're not even remotely interested in pops up. It breaks the immersion, pulls you out of the story, and honestly, it can be pretty irritating. In a world where we pay for streaming services specifically to avoid the traditional TV ad model, it feels a bit like a step backward when they creep in. So, the big question is, can you actually turn off ads on Neon? Is there a secret setting, a hidden trick, or some kind of premium tier that grants you ad-free bliss? Let's dive into that, because while the answer might not be what some of us hope for, understanding the landscape of streaming ads is crucial. First, it's important to understand why ads appear on streaming platforms like Neon. Many services, especially those offering a wide range of content, rely on advertising revenue to help cover the costs of licensing shows and movies, producing original content, and maintaining their infrastructure. It's a business model that helps keep subscription prices at a certain level, or even allows for free tiers in some cases. Think of it as a trade-off. You get access to a vast library of entertainment, and in exchange, you see some advertisements. Now, specifically regarding Neon, as of my last update, there isn't a direct turn off ads button or a specific setting within the standard Neon subscription that allows you to completely eliminate advertisements. Neon, like many other streaming services, integrates ads as part of its content delivery. These can appear before, during, or after your chosen program. This means that if you're on a standard Neon plan, you will encounter advertisements. There isn't an ad-free premium tier that you can upgrade to, similar to what you might find on some other international streaming platforms. So, unfortunately, for the current offerings, the ads are a built-in part of the Neon viewing experience. I know, it's probably not the news you were hoping for. It can be a bummer when you're looking for that truly uninterrupted viewing session. However, it's always a good idea to keep an eye on Neon's official announcements and their terms of service. Streaming platforms are constantly evolving, and new features or subscription tiers are introduced over time. There's always a possibility that an ad-free option could be introduced in the future if enough user demand exists or if their business model shifts. So, while you can't manually toggle off ads on Neon right now, understanding why they're there can help manage expectations. It's a part of the economic model that brings us the content we enjoy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.